Hey there, what's up guys, this is Crypto Mac and we are watching Crypto with Crypto Mac. Hope you guys are doing great today. Before going to this video, please like this video and also subscribe this channel to support this channel. So in this video, we are going to see about the Bitcoin price and we are going to do Bitcoin technical analysis. Mainly we are focusing on what is next for Bitcoin, whether we are going to have a huge correction or whether we are going to move upwards and we are going to make a new all-time high. And also we are going to discuss about some of the news regarding Bitcoin investments and what are the things going out there. So that's a major thing we are going to discuss in this video. So stay tuned and let's dive into this video. First of all, we can do market analysis in CoinGecko. If we see the top 10 coins past 24 hours performance, we can see Bitcoin minus 0.8% down, Ethereum minus 5.1% down, and Ethereum is quite dropping. Some of the alts are a little bit dropping, and you can see bearish most of the alts. XRP minus 25.7% down, and past 7 days minus 52.8% down. Litecoin minus 5.4% down. Bitcoin Cash minus 8.9% down. Binance Coin minus 4.7% down. Polkadot minus 3.5% down, and Cardano minus 8.8% down, and past 7 days minus 17.6% down. And next we have Chainlink. Chainlink is also dropping, and it dropped from this. It was around, I think it was around 6 or 5 in the ranking. Now it is below Cardano. Now it is staying at 10th in terms of market cap, and you can see the price dropped heavily actually. Now it is in 10.3, having a drop of minus 15.7%, and past 7 days minus 23.4%. So this is all about the top 10 coins. And next, if we see the coins, if we see past 24 hours top gainers, we don't have any gainers, guys. So what we can say is most of the alts and most of the altcoins are in discount. It's in a Christmas discount, we can say. So most of the altcoins are in Christmas discount, and most of them are dropping. And because of sometimes because of these holidays and the continuous holidays, no one will be trading at these times. So because of that, we are seeing most of them are dropping, and we have lots of losers today. So you can see over here, the top is XRP minus 25.7% drop, NEM minus 23.7%, the graph having minus 23.2%, Sushi minus 16% down, Ontology minus 16%, Chainlink minus 15.7%, then we have Algorand minus 14.17% down, OMG Network 14.5% down, Neo 14% down. So overall, there are lots of losers today. You can see over here, VeChain, Zilliqa, Ocean Protocol, and lots of things are there, and more number of coins are in red. This indicates because of the holidays and other stuffs, most of them are looking red. And we can say in another way, most of the coins are in huge discount, guys. It's in huge discount because we are in a bull market. At bull market, if we have these kind of discounts, it's an opportunity. It's a great opportunity, and we have lots of discounts in the altcoins. And Bitcoin is not that much down. It is moving sideways. That's a major thing. So let's see about the Bitcoin technical analysis. So Bitcoin is, you can see it is moving sideways. It's in terms of weekly time frame. We are seeing weekly time frame, and the most important thing we have to discuss is this one, 21-week moving average. More or less, that is very much important because it has to, in a bull market, it has to touch this. You can see over here, it should act as a, most of the time it was acting as a support, but we don't have that much drop in Bitcoin price. We're seeing now. You can see over here now. We are moving sideways, and one more thing very much important is if we are staying so long in sideways in terms of Bitcoin, if we are staying over here and we are staying in sideways for quite period of time, this will come up soon. So this will come up, and we can expect a drop, smaller drop in terms of correction. That's a major thing. So now we have been seeing this particular 20-week moving average. It was staying around $12,500, and now it is moving up and up, and you can see now it is at $14,740. That's a major thing. So no, we can say $14,500. So after the end of this week, we can expect it will further move upwards to $16,000. That is also possible. Now it is at $14,500. We can expect by the end of next week, we can expect this would be around $16,000. Higher the price it moves, higher the drop percentage will be reduced, because it's one of the important support, huge support we can say. So if from here, if you are dropping directly without any sideways movement, and if we see this drop would be around minus 40% drop. So that's a major thing. So now this drop would bring the price, this drop would be 40% if we are touching this 20-week moving average again. And previously it would be around minus 50%, but now you can see this has come up, and you can see over here now it is 14,500, which is minus 40%. And if this is again moving to $16,000, that would be minus 33% drop. So higher this goes, the drop percentage will be reduced. And if it is moving to $18,000, it would be 20% drop, and because it will take some time to consolidate, that's a major thing. So Bitcoin for now it's bullish. You can see the trend, weekly trend, you can see it's clearly uptrend, and once it breaks down from this level, maybe these things will be acting as a support, this level, and in terms of next week candle would be forming over here, then on 28th of December, and you can see over here this would if it is dropping to downwards, this will be acting as a support, which is 2641, and we have a major support area around this price, that is $19,500. So that's a major thing. And if we are going to see in a shorter time frame, I'm going to 4 hour. An interesting thing is forming. You can see over here one small triangle has been formed. Now you can see over here, we can take it like this. So this is looking like one of the important triangle pattern, and here we can draw one small triangle. So this looks one of the triangle pattern, and it is a symmetrical triangle. So we can expect the breakup or breakdown. Breakdown would bring the price to, we can take this as the target. Breakdown will bring the price to this support area, that is $20,000 that we are expecting in terms of downside. $20,000, because this will be an important huge area of support. This area will be acting as a huge area of support. So if we are breaking downwards, we can expect this kind of this can be acting as a support, and then we can jump. If we are breaking upwards, the target would be $26,000. So that's a major thing. If we are breaking upwards, the target would be $26,000. That's a major thing in terms of this particular pattern. So it's a symmetrical triangle pattern. This has the probability of breaking either upwards or either downwards. So these are the things which is in terms of technical analysis, Bitcoin is still bullish, and you can see we have lots of supports and lots of areas, lots of trend lines are going on in terms of downside, and in terms of upside we are having this breakout, and the target would be this one. So that's a major thing about Bitcoin, and we have lots of newses in terms of Bitcoin, bullish newses. The first thing is this one: Canadian fintech company invests $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. So another company have invested 1.5 million in Bitcoin. It's quite small, but still we are seeing lots of companies coming in, lots of public traded companies, and lots of companies are coming in. You can see Vancouver-based fintech company Mogo, which is publicly traded on TCX and Nasdaq, has announced its plans to make an initial corporate investment of up to 1.5 million in Bitcoin, according to the press release published today. So this is also one of the companies which is trading or traded on the Nasdaq and in TCX. So it's one of the important company. So public traded companies, they are investing in Bitcoin. This is the one of the important news. And the next news we are going to see is this one, another one we are seeing. It's like they are planning to do. Yep. This is like a plan to allocate 1.5% of assets in Bitcoin. Another one investment is from this company. You can see Skaramaki Skybridge BTC fund launches with 25 million investment. So these are the things, and so this day by day you can see the institutional investors are increasing. That's a major thing. And the huge news is this one. So not this one, this one. Michael Saylor was tweeting. He was chatting with Elon Musk about converting their Tesla's balance sheet into Bitcoin. So imagine, guys, if Elon Musk is converting Tesla's balance sheet, that is 1% of Tesla's balance sheet into Bitcoin. See how much it will be. So it's huge. It will be huge, guys. That's a major thing. So, and he is also mentioning Fortune 500 companies will buy Bitcoin to save future. So in coming days, we can expect lots of S&P 500 companies will buy Bitcoin in coming days. And what he is saying is, if Tesla is buying Bitcoin, if they are converting their reserve into Bitcoin, almost most of the S&P 500 companies will follow Tesla. That's a major thing. Why they are doing this is because of that. because of these reasons. You can see caused by use Federal Reserve measures to combat the effects on the economy of COVID-19. The increase in dollars money supply has reached unprecedented levels. So the dollar printing has been reached in an unprecedented level, and supply is more in terms of dollar. And in that sense, MicroStrategy CEO explained that making an investment in Bitcoin not only serves as a hedge but a way to double the funds. That's a major thing. So he's saying it is not only to save, it is not to act as a hedge, but also it will double your funds. That's a major thing. So this is that what mentioned in this article, and you can see over here, and this is the interview where he is given, and he's talking about this particular article. And next, and they have been talking in this Twitter account. You can see over here. So Elon Musk posted this, me trying to live a normal productive life but Bitcoin. So he posted this, and he commented, Michael Saylor, you can see, if you want to do your shareholders 100 billion favor, convert Tesla's balance sheet from USD to Bitcoin. So other firms on the S&P 500 would follow you lead, and in time it would become 1 trillion favor. So that's a major thing. So once if Tesla is converting their reserve into Bitcoin, other companies on the S&P 500 will follow. This will make Bitcoin huge, guys, because huge investments will be coming into Bitcoin. That's a major thing. And again, he's replying to Michael Saylor. He's saying, are such large transactions even possible? So he is saying, yes, I have purchased over $1.3 billion in Bitcoin in past month and would be happy to share my playbook with you offline from one rocket scientist to another. So this is the conversation that is going on, and you can see CC Binance is replying to Elon Musk and Michael Saylor. Try Binance US, probably not a good idea to do in one transaction, but can definitely be done. So these are the things, and Peter Schiff is also discussing about the Bitcoin. He's also saying some of the risk in holding the Bitcoin. If you're holding Bitcoin, it will be a risk for the shareholders' funds. So this is some of the conversation, but you can see over here, if this happens, Bitcoin price will be at huge. You can say, because lots of institutional investors will follow Elon Musk. That's a major thing. And one more thing is, Michael Saylor is keep on increasing his Bitcoin reserve. You can see MicroStrategy has purchased an additional 29,646 Bitcoins for $650 million at an average price of $21,925 per Bitcoin. So at an average price of $21,925, it's now actually it is nearby this particular high, and you can see over here he's buying over here with an average price of $21,925 per Bitcoin, and he is now holding actually 70,470 Bitcoin, which purchased for 1.125 billion at an average price of 15,964 per Bitcoin. So some of the Bitcoin having an average price of 15,964 per Bitcoin, and some of them having an average price of 29 point, and some of them, this is this amount, $650 million will be at the average price of 21,925. So and you can see it's a whole aggregate totally he's having 70,470 Bitcoins, which with an average price at $15,964. So totally with this amount at this price, average price, and this is 29,646 at this average price. So that's the thing, and he's keep on buying. This is an example. We can see we will be seeing lots of companies doing the same thing in coming year. So 2021 will be a greater important year for institutional investors to jump into Bitcoin. And the next news we are going to see is this one. You can see over here, PayPal absorbs 100% of all newly mined BTC, which is said by Pandera CEO. You can see, according to Pandera's Capital CEO Dan Moorhead, payment giant PayPal buys 100% of all newly mined Bitcoins. Institutional investors' appetite for Bitcoin continues to grow after MicroStrategy once again bought more than 20,000 more Bitcoin. So that's the major thing. Again, MicroStrategy bought this one, and this makes more institutional investors to be investing in Bitcoin. This make an appetite. You can see over here, makes an appetite for Bitcoin, that it is actually continuously growing because of this investment. And you can see over here, according to Pandera Capital CEO Dan Moorhead, payment giant PayPal is largely responsible for the recent price increase. Moorhead laid out in a report a few weeks ago that PayPal and Square together absorb more than 70% of all newly mined Bitcoin. So most of the Bitcoin are purchased by PayPal and Squares, and PayPal is purchasing more, this will increase the scarcity of Bitcoin, guys. That's a major thing. Because of these things, because of these institutional investors coming in, we can expect a huge surge and huge bull run this particular year, coming year 2021. So that's a major thing, and that is what I want to share in this video about these things. And most of the altcoins are in red, and you can see most of the altcoins are in a huge discount as a Christmas discount. So that's the thing I can say. So that's all, and hope you would like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button and also subscribe to support this channel. I'll see you guys in another video of Crypto with Crypto Mac. Until then, signing off, Crypto Mac. See you guys.